I've just arrived at the bridge, about 4 kilometres up from Ammarnäs. I'll look down at Ammarnäs in a moment. This area, it seems to be all caged off, which is quite unusual because usually there's often just a bit of a wobbly bridge. If we walk a bit closer, get down to the bridge, we'll be able to see why it's all caged off. Let's get a bit closer. You can just see the waterfall coming in on the left there. Whoa. That was me slipping. Too busy looking at the waterfall and not at the mud. You can hear the sound of it. I'm going to go up onto the bridge. I'll stop around the middle. I'll turn to my left. Zoom in there. We've got this rather amazing looking waterfall. That's already looking and sounding pretty good. I'll come down here on the right. There's some holes in the rock. These are made by pebbles that get caught in the rocks and get swirled and swirled around by the water over rather a lot of years. Over to the other side of the bridge, you can see Ammarnäs and the lake there in the distance. If I zoom back and look down, you see the rest of the waterfall. That's just dropping so far below, there's so much water going through there. Photographs are not doing it justice, I don't think even this video is. It's got to be the best waterfall I've seen so far on the Kungsleden, and I'm with days of finishing the whole Kungsleden, so pretty good.